Here I have OPPO A1 and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the My Files application. Then you should select what you want to transfer. You can transfer photos, videos, audios, documents, APKs or archives. So let's transfer some image. For example, maybe this one. Maybe this one too. Looks kinda aesthetic. And then tap if you want to move these images, or if you can to copy them, you tap more and select copy. Then go to the SD card, select folder where to you want to copy them. So let's pictures for example, and tap paste to here. And now you will have these images not only on your device's memory but also on your SD card in this pictures folder. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.